Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Het spooklicht kan overal zijn. Wel te rusten!
How did they do it? These are the same ingredients as back home, but it tastes so good.
It's organic.
All done here. How's traffic there, Helly?
Everything's moving freely, Polly.
In that case...
Mater, let's go! You're on!
Tile!
One tire, I give you 7 snow tires for free. Done, you're interested, you call me, you know what.
Children, we have to go on a picnic. Okay.
Is everything okay? If you're worried about your fuel, man, don't. It's perfectly safe.
No.
Around of fuel. Tell you what, I'll give you guys a head start. You're gonna need it.
Later, loser.
La grúa dijo recto, ¿cierto?
Correcto.
Recto. Get back, you oil-thirsty parasite! Actually, this is my good side here.
I thought you were supposed to be making me a disguise.
Voice recognized. Disguise program initiated.
Sistine Chapel. On wheels.
I'm coming for you, Storm.
With a little bit of training.
That's the least I could do.
Whatever happens, you're a winner to me, you old daddy rabbit.
Thanks, dear. Wouldn't be nice.
Doc fixed me up, Flo took me in. Well, they all did. And I never left.
Ven, tractorcito. Ven aquí. Sí, qué gran tractor. No, 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 no. Ven aquí.
Not my turn, dope.
I'm having a tornado in a trailer park.
Getting him into the zone!
He's so getting beat today.
Hello, Edward. The mechanic was waiting for you. Now he's left on Bertie the bus.
I love this guy.
El chico Jackson Storm le acaba de poner un buen alto al Rayo McQueen. ¡Oh! No.
Go. I'd like you to meet...
Signorina Salvi. It is official. Lightning McQueen is the
Gojira egg, Dozo. Come with me, please, sir.
But I'm gonna miss my plane.
Right this way.
Mama! Don't worry, Mama. McQueen is very sad. I would.
Yes, I
Fabulous? I've never seen Doc drive more than 20 miles an hour. I mean, have you ever seen him race?
No, but I...